Hey, sneakiness bed tonight. Bit of a quiet one for you. We've got OpenIndiana. Yes, it's reborn. Open Solaris has been gone in the community, and we're out. And here it is. It's a development build, by the way. Development build 147. So don't expect things to go as planned. First mistake is the name don't fit on the screen. It's a bit of a bummer. But it runs GNOME, so it's usual GNOME. Got time and date, etc. up there. My internet connection, my language, English European. And you've got system resources. Seems like they're working fine. That's super duper, isn't it? What else have we got over here? We've got Determinal, of course. Then we've got a package manager. We will come back to that later, but it's a bit temperamental. You've got Thunderbird and Firefox. You've also got your home folder. Don't forget that. System, places, and applications. Now, I'm going to click on there just to see if it wants to play ball. No, I won't click it just yet. I'll do it in a minute. But it is very, very temperamental. Sometimes it'll work and sometimes it won't. Anyway, into applications and accessories. Got quite a few bits and bobs there. Nothing too new, but it looks a lot better than the last Open Solaris, which hadn't had any work done in it whatsoever, really, did it? Got interface designer. You've only got a camera browser and an image viewer there, really. There's Firefox, Pigeon, and a Thunderbird. Is there for you? Office, you just got a dictionary and a PDF viewer. Sound, video. Brasero as usual, CD Ripper, Codina. Do hate Codina. Why they have to have it now? It's open source, I don't know. If it's a community build, anyway. System tools. Oh, device driver utility. Should we have a little look at that? It's quite interesting. Remember, I am doing it in the box. So you'll see all the box stuff come up. There you go. Tells you all about it. It takes a little bit of time. It's not the fastest distro in the world. It really, really, really wants 1 gig of RAM, and I've not given it nowhere near that much. But as you can see, there's my little testy thing here. Look. VBox, blah, 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 blah. All your bits and bobs. Everything looks hunky of the dory. Yeah, so that's all right, isn't it? All right. I was expecting some banging stuff here, but they just work on it. So don't expect too much for at least a little while yet. Give it a good few months before things get going. Right, performance monitor. Now, as you can see, it likes eating RAM. Can you see that? It loves eating it. So we've got 380.9 it's using. I've just got a helicopter going over my house. Very noisy. So yeah, that's okay. Don't use too much CPU. What else have we got down here to show you? Go back down to the system tools. No, not much there. There isn't actually much here, and I've not been able to install anything for the simple reason I can't get into the package manager. You're a bit of a bum, really. So preferences, all the usual there, the Java stuff, NVIDIA settings, resolution. There's my resolution. Now, if you're going to run it in the box, do not use the VBox editions, because it will really muck your system up. Or it might work for you, it might not, but I've not had any luck with it. This is the second or third install I've had to do through mucking it up. So I won't do that again, will I? As you can say, change all your windows and stuff like that. In administration, you've got your core files, package manager again, blah, 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 blah. Time slider takes a snapshot of your data. So when you click that, in theory, it just takes a little photograph of all your data, and you won't have to lose anything ever again. So it wants to be password. So I'll chuck that in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now, I was expecting stuff to happen. I was. And nothing happened. I was expecting to say, oh, I've done it, or it's been done, and here it is. But no, nothing like that happens whatsoever. But hopefully it works. I'll check later. Anyway, I'll open up the Fox. It's Firefox as we all know it. This is their homepage, OpenIndiana. Tells you all about it. Community distribution of Open Solaris, blah blah. Tells you why they've done it, and we all know the story. I don't know if they just don't want to do it anymore. Oracle don't, but I can't slag them off because I do use one of their products, like now. So, I'll be quiet for just a little bit. So it tells you about it, and about the Illuminous project, which it's still part of, and it's hosted here in the UK as well, which I thought that was weird, really weird. Yeah. So yeah, I got bored then. Really, not much more to say about that. Okay. I'm going to go over to the Biblica just to see what a proper web page looks like. See, Google works and the internet works really, really fine. So that's cool. So I'll go to the home page. There you go. Looks rather nice, doesn't it? Yes, it works. That's the main thing. It works. That's the main thing. It works. Yes. Let's try the package manager one more time. See, it thinks about it and it wants the password this time. So I put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it, nothing else happens, it just doesn't want to play whatsoever. So we'll leave that one alone, really. Now, bearing in mind it's a development build, 147, as I said before, it ain't too bad. I wasn't expecting too much, so to say. but it's a little bit faster than the last Open Solaris I tried, so that's an improvement. Although the install took around about 40 minutes and was quite boring, really, for a really, really long time. But yeah, the first boot was really, 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 really long. I'm talking about 4 minutes here. But after that, boot is down to about 30 seconds. Not too bad, really, is it? So that's about it for OpenIndiana. I just want to give you a quick look, really, to show that it's still alive, or Solaris anyway, or part of it. And it is going to be worked on, and so you can have a proper look at it another time, maybe. And if they can get the package managers to work, that'd be really nice, wouldn't it? We could have something to do then and install and make sure things work. But yeah, on the whole, it's okay. It's coming along. Let's see what the next build's like. Sneaky Linux going out. I'll see you later.